What is up, guys? Back with another video. Today's Saturday freaking morning. I think it's May 19th, which is crazy. One of my friends is coming over from England in like 4 days, which I am not prepared for in the slightest. I still need to figure out where the heck he's sleeping. I still need to figure out how the heck I'm going to entertain him for 2 months in Canada. But I don't care about that today because today is a beautiful day. Guys, if you're feeling good, if you're feeling great, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're really cool, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I mean, link down in the description or right here at Tom Stefaniuk. Always posting dope stuff over there. But the reason I'm excited today is because I love Jordan 1s. I'm a huge fan of Jordan 1s, and this morning, a pair of amazing Jordan 1s is releasing onto the market. It's the Jordan 1 Homage to Home, or Homage? Homage, 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 homage. Homage, 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 homage. Homage to home? Homage to home. Huh.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Homage. How do you say that?
Homage.
Homage?
Yeah.
So there's no H.
Well, I guess Americans would probably say homage. Not homage. It's French.
Okay. Homage. If you guys don't know the deal with this pair of sneakers, it is a split of two of my favorite shoes of all time, the Air Jordan 1 Bred and the Air Jordan 1 Chicago. It's split right down the middle. The inside of the shoe is Chicago, the outside of the shoe is Bred. It is gorgeous. I've been waiting for these things to come out for weeks. I love them. The store opens up in a few hours. I don't know how many people are going to be there. I thought there was going to be a line for the Katrina Jordan 3s. There was no one in line for the Katrina Jordan 3s. So just to be safe, we're going to head down there right now, and hopefully we'll be able to grab our pair. Yeah, there's a lot of people here. I'm 99.9% sure I'm not getting my pair. I mean, we're still gonna stand here to see if I get my pair. We're probably not gonna get my pair. Okay, here's where we're at right now. It's not looking good down there. It's not looking good. There's a lot of people in line. I talked to them. They were there since 6 in the evening yesterday. They've been there for like 14 hours now. It's not looking good. I'm gonna sit here for a little bit. I'm gonna go back down there later because I mean there's lots of people there. The only hope I have is that no one is buying a size 12 somehow. The good thing is I already have these two pairs. I have the Breds, I have the Chicagos. I have the two pairs that make up the pair. So basically I have the outside of the Bred and the inside of the Chicago. If I just hold them up like this and you forget the fact that it's two separate pairs of shoes, I basically already have the shoes. Such classic kicks. I mean, I've worn the Breds a lot. I've worn the Breds a lot. I've still yet to wear the Chicagos. The Chicagos are still brand new, untouched, brand new and beautiful. I need to break these out as soon as possible. I don't know why I have not worn these yet. They're just so nice. They look so freaking nice brand new. I can't bring myself to wear them. The black toes are also awesome. The Bred toes are also awesome. I feel like all four of those just sort of fall into the same category. But the split one, it's really nice, but I also feel like it's a shoe that I'd buy and it would sit in my room for 6 months and I wouldn't end up wearing it that much. So I'm gonna buy it if I can, but I don't know if I'll wear it if I do buy it. Anyway, let's go back down and see what's up in the line. We're not getting the pair of shoes, unfortunately. In all fairness, Livestock is the best because they put the sizes on the window. They have one of every size. They have one size 8, one size 8.5, one size 9, one size 9.5. And I don't think those 11 pairs are gonna last all of these people in line. So unfortunately, I'm not getting my pair, which really sucks. I really wanted this pair of kicks. This is sort of turning into like one of the worst sneaker releases of the year. I probably should have showed up earlier because apparently the people in the front of the line got here at 6:30 last night. And by 1 in the morning, there was already like 10 people. So if I showed up at 5 in the morning, I realistically still wouldn't have had a chance of getting my pair. This just really sucks, because I really wanted that pair of shoes. So I'm not getting my pair, but we're at least able to check out a pair. Woo, the leather on these is nice. It almost feels like it's waxed or something, like it has this weird sort of film, like glossy feel over it. You got the breads right here. Like looking at it from this angle, it looks exactly like just a regular pair of breads. And then you flip it like this, and it looks exactly like a regular pair of Chicago's. I really like how you can't even see the carryover, but then you go to the seam here, you can see the difference on the swooshes. Then you go to the toe box, which is obviously the biggest part where you can see the difference. And the tongue is split as well, which is crazy. Now the tongue's really, really, really stiff. I guess they needed to make it a little bit stiffer so they could sew the two different pieces together. It's a sick looking pair of shoes. It's definitely unique, it's definitely different. I think the retail was the same, $215 Canadian, $160 US. It's a fresh pair of kicks. It comes with extra red laces if you want to throw those on. It doesn't come with any laces on the other shoe, but I mean, it's a really, really nice looking pair of shoes. A little bit salty. I'm a lot a bit salty I couldn't pick these up. This is one of my most anticipated sneakers of 2018, and it sort of turned into one of the worst sneaker releases simply because I didn't get my pair.
I'm not sliding, I'ma kick you to the rubber. Go about my day, my vision turns into a tunnel. I'ma live my life, 'cause it's a beautiful day. So I don't care that you get look away.
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I am a little bit bummed out that I wasn't able to get those shoes, but at the end of the day, I mean, I'm lucky that I have a lot of other classic Jordan 1s that lots of the people in line don't have, and I wasn't gonna sit there for 15, 16, 17 hours like some of those people to get that pair of shoes. There's lots of cool shoes coming out for the rest of the month, and I get to save a bit of money at least. I am pretty bummed out though. I really, 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 really wanted those shoes. That would have been a nice pair of Jordan 1s to add to the collection, and I'm not getting them. This has to be probably the worst sneaker release of 2018.